Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I will show you how to use Sitechecker's Chrome extension. It will help you to quickly identify technical on-page SEO issues. By fixing them, you can improve your ranking and get more traffic and sales. Our extension is a multi-purpose SEO plugin. With it, you can check URLs indexation, anchors, its backlinks, analyze competitors' landing pages, and many more. In order to set it up, just visit Chrome Web Store and type in Website SEO Checker. Click on its logo and add to Chrome. Now let's see what this tool can offer you in terms of on-page SEO for your website. With the help of it, you can check and be sure that your title and description meta tags are available on the page and have the right length. Then you will see one of the most important features for targeting, the keyword density and H1 to H6 tag steps. It allows you to see all your headers in one place and check if the page contains enough keywords. Also, you can highlight them right on the page to have a better visualization. Next goes links section. There are three main sections: internal, external and subdomain links. There you can see the links themselves, their anchors and the status code of the URLs. Imagine you have built a fresh new backlink to your website. For sure it is essential to check whether it's properly set up on a partner's website. It is super convenient to use Sitechecker plugin to make sure that the page with the backlink is indexable and the backlink has a correct anchor text. For this purpose, go to our extension while being on the partners page and navigate to the links section. There you will see all the external links the website has, including yours. You can simply test if the page is open for crawling and indexing by search engine bots, check its canonical URL and hreflang tags implementation. Also, find out images with missing alternative or title attributes on a page, highlight nofollow images or images of the big size on a page. With this small tool you can even test a web page for open grab tags to check how its link preview will look like on the social media websites. And the last but not the least, check Google Page Speed Score in real time both for mobile and desktop devices. We highly recommend using Sitechecker's Chrome extension in order to analyze the competitors' websites and their main landing pages in order to quickly check how their pages are set up and then implement the best practices inside your own website. That was it for today. If you still have any other questions, feel free to reach out to our support, which is support@sitechecker.pro.